I'm really nervous to go to this. Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel and happy Saturday. I feel like I don't usually vlog on the weekends, but I wanted to do a Saturday vlog. I wanted today just to be a very wholesome Saturday. I have some errands I need to run. I have some things I need to do, but I thought I'd take you guys with me because I feel like this is a very well-balanced, well-rounded Saturday. This morning I have to go to the eye doctor. I'm gonna go see an open house for a condo with my mom. I'll explain that later. I'm picking up my friend from the airport. I also want to do some grocery shopping. I want to do a little bit of cleaning. So overall, just kind of a well-rounded day. Might get dinner with one of my friends later, depending if I'm in the mood for it. This video is actually sponsored by Blue Land. So I first heard about Blue Land on Shark Tank, and Blue Land makes eco-friendly cleaning products, so I was really excited about that. So let me get the box. First of all, how cute is this? So their products have no harmful ingredients, no plastic waste, and they come in compostable or recyclable packaging. They also have no single-use plastics in anything that they sell, that they make, all the way from their bottles, their tablets, wrappers, shipping, everything compostable or recyclable, which I think is amazing that they have no single-use plastics. Even the packaging on their refills are compostable or recyclable, which I think is so amazing. I also think the best part about their products is they're not only effective, but they're affordable. So for example, I got the hand soap. A refill for a hand soap starts at $2.29. I think that's a great deal. So I got the hand soap and the toilet cleaner set. I'll show you guys what's inside. So first of all, it comes with this adorable glass bottle. I'm so excited to put this on my counter. I think this is like very aesthetic. It's a really good quality bottle too. I don't know why, but I feel like sometimes tapping the glass, you can tell it's a good quality. And then it also comes with 3 different foaming hand soap tablets. So it comes in iris agave, lavender eucalyptus, or perrine lemon. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but so there's 3 different scents. So essentially these are tablets that you put into water into the bottle and then it turns into soap. I'll show it with you guys. I'm so excited. And then it also came with the toilet bowl cleaner tablets. I'm excited to use these ones as well. This one is in lemon cedar. I feel like a lemon scent just smells clean to me, so I'm very excited for that. And then it also came with a little tub, this super cute purple tub to put all the cleaners in. And again, recyclable, compostable packaging. I love the color of this. I think this is so cute. So that was the starter kit that I got. We're gonna do the hand soap together. So you take this bottle, this glass bottle they give you, and you fill it up to the line here. Let's just ignore that I have a bunch of dishes in my sink. We're gonna clean that out today. Fill it up to the line. Bada bing, bada boom. I think I'm gonna go with the lemon scent. So all you do is you put the tablet in here and then it dissolves. You don't have to shake it. You don't have to stir it. That smells so good. Smell it. It smells so clean. So you just pop this in there and then it'll start to fizz. Can you see it starting to fizz? And then you just wait until it's done. You put the lid on and like I said, no stirring, no mixing, and it's ready in like a couple minutes. Ooh. Okay, next up we're gonna try the toilet bowl cleaner ones. Like I said, this one is lemon cedar. You guys, these tablets smell amazing. So essentially what you do, you just take one tablet, put it in the bowl, dissolve, then you use your toilet brush it out, flush it. Just gonna pop that in there. Ooh, and look at it already fizzing up. And once that's dissolved, we're gonna use the toilet brush and then just brush it out. And like I said, flush it. It fizzes so fast. And we're just gonna brush it and flush it. It smells so good. That was so fast. And I'm gonna put all the other little tablets into the little tin. And they have a special offer just for you guys. 15% off your first kit. All you have to do is click the link in the description and you can get 15% off your first kit. I'm obsessed. Definitely check them out with the link in the description. First order of business today, we are going to the eye doctor. So I've talked about this in quite a few of my videos where I have a major phobia of anything touching my eyes. It freaks me out. I'm gonna be really early. That's great. Awesome. I have a major phobia of anything touching my eyes. And so I'm really nervous to go to this because they're obviously gonna do stuff with my eyes. I haven't been to the eye doctor in over 2 years. I talked about this in one of my videos that I'm interested in getting LASIK, but I haven't done any research about it. I've just asked people that I know that have LASIK. Everyone has had a positive experience, but I would like to hear the other end of the spectrum. I'm very open to getting it, but I think that that's going to be a few years down the road because I think you need to have your prescription stay the same for a certain amount of time, and I haven't gotten my prescription updated in 2 years. So I'm gonna ask the doctor about it, but I do want to do research before I do anything, obviously. First and foremost, I do need glasses. I just don't think that I can bring myself to put contacts in every day with my phobia. Like, I'm sure the more I do it, the better it'll be, but I've tried contacts in the past in high school and I just couldn't do it. Like, the idea of things touching my eyes and pulling it out, can't do it. We all have like our irrational fears and phobias and things that really don't make sense, and for me that's one of them. So I'm honestly very nervous to go to the eye doctor, and I'm very proud of myself that I'm going because I've really been putting it off for so long. My friend goes to this place. It's not even like a really fancy eye doctor. It's like an eyeglasses store that has an eye doctor in it, but they had a weekend appointment and I was like, okay, let's do it, let's go. I'm really nervous about this. I haven't been to the eye doctor in so long. I literally always do anything to get out of it because it scares me. So we're conquering our fears one step at a time. Okay, update on the eye doctor. So my prescription did worsen, but he did say that it only worked, like I'm gonna put this in very simple terms because I'm not a professional, but it worsened the smallest amount possible. Like it couldn't have got like worsened any smaller, if that makes any sense. And he did say that I am a candidate for LASIK because my prescription did not change enough, or didn't change anything significantly in the matter of 2 years. He gave me some recommendations of people. My sister's also had LASIK, so maybe I might go to hers, I don't know. But like one of these, he was like, my wife had cataracts and I recommended this place to her and I had a great experience. I tried on some glasses, but I didn't really like any of the ones that they had. They didn't have like a good selection, so I think I'm gonna go to a different store, like a Warby Parker or something like that. More like a style kind of, like I want the glasses to be cute, you know? My mom is also coming up to where I live because you guys have been hearing me talk about this, the washer and dryer situation, that I want to install a washer and dryer in my unit. And we've really been struggling on like how to, where to, and there's a house for sale that is a very similar unit to mine, and they have a washer and dryer. So there's an open house and we're gonna go literally just to look at the washer and dryer situation and like see how they did it, because they put it in an area where I'm like, it wouldn't fit there. How do they fit a full washer and dryer there? Like, did they move some of the walls around to make space for it? I have no idea. See how they're doing that. So she's coming up to see that with me. I might go to an eye store, you know, to go get some glasses. They just didn't really have a very good selection. Also, there's like a scuff on my steering wheel. Trying to be careful to clean this because I don't want to accidentally honk my horn. He even brought up LASIK because the first thing that I said when he walked in was like, I just want to let you know, like I have a huge fear of things touching my eyes. Like they had a blow on your eyes, scared me so much. They were like, are you interested in contacts? And I was like, no, not at all. And that was the first thing I prefaced with him. I was like, I'm scared of things touching my eyes. And he was like, you know, LASIK is a very quick procedure if you're interested in that. And I was like, I am interested in that actually. So he brought it up, not me. But again, I want to do my research on it before I do it. And if I do it, it probably won't be like until the end of the year. Like I don't expect it to be anytime soon. Like it'll probably be like December or even next year, because I want to just like give the glasses a moment to like see about that. I was like, oh gosh, they did a thing where you like close your eyes, and I was like, I had no idea my one eye was so bad. I covered it and I was like, oh my gosh, it's that bad. But I'm very happy about how that went. It was really fast. I think I was only in there for like 15 minutes, but I felt like they like took care of me and didn't like brush over me. They just didn't make me wait a very long time. Also, another really funny thing was when I was like, hi, like appointment for Keegan, and they were like, what's your last name? And I was like, oh, it's Acton. And they're like, okay, because we have 2 Keegans back-to-back appointments. And I was like, oh my gosh, I've never heard that happen before. And they were like, I know. They're like, I didn't know if it was a mistake or not, because Keegan is not a common name by any means. That's my little ramble about it. Okay, I'm back from the eye doctor and then from looking at the open house. The issue is my mom came all the way out here. I feel so bad. And the open house wasn't today, it was tomorrow. Although on the listing it said it was today, the real estate agent must have messed up. So I'm gonna have to go see that tomorrow. I saw my mom, we hung out for a little bit, and now we are back here. I want to do a little bit of cleaning up in the meantime because this place is kind of a mess. I do like to do a Sunday reset typically, but I just feel like I would rather do it right now and today. So we are going to get on that. I feel like I just have a bunch of clutter everywhere. And then I need to pick up my friend from the airport in like 2 hours. I think that'll definitely give me enough time. think what I'm gonna do next is take my laundry over to my last apartment to start a load. If you guys have been following along, I still have the lease for my last apartment until Monday. So this is the last time that I'm going to be able to do laundry. I really need to figure out my laundry situation with my HOA. They're ghosting me. It's a whole thing. For now, I'm fortunate enough that my lease overlaps a little bit so I can do my laundry at my old apartment. Really annoying bringing it over there, but I think I'm gonna do that right now and then go grocery shopping immediately after. Off to the grocery store. Okay, so far I have watermelon, green grapes, and then I saw this cheesecake and I was like, this looks so good, so I had to get it. I have a feeling this is going to be really pricey. This is what we have so far, quite a bit of stuff. I still need 2 more things though. I'm looking for orzo and I see it right here. I've never made orzo before, so I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited to try it. Throwing it in here, away from the meats. Just finished grocery shopping. We'll do a haul when I get back home, but it's really gross outside. It's 105 and it's really humid and muggy and like, oh I feel so bad. I parked so close to them. I'm so sorry. Oh, but it's gross outside and I'm like dripping in sweat, so I'm going. I'm dripping in sweat. I actually feel like a drip of sweat, like a drip of sweat like going down my back. I actually just met one of my neighbors as I was bringing my groceries in. She was really nice. I asked her about, I was like, what do you do for laundry because it's broken? And she was like, oh, it's broken? I was like, yeah, do you have any unit laundry? And she was like, oh, I go to my grandparents. So she had no idea it was even broken. Really fun, but I got some watermelon. A big watermelon fan. I hate cutting it up though, but the pre-cut watermelon is so expensive that I was like, I'm not doing that. I have a couple recipes this week. Sorry if you can hear my dishwasher going. I got some spinach to put into meatballs that I'm making. I also got some green grapes. I love frozen grapes, so these are gonna be so good in the freezer. They're very refreshing. And then I got this Greek yogurt. I wanna mix this with peanut butter and kind of make like a peanut butter Greek yogurt. And this has 25 grams of protein and it was on sale. So I was like, a win. I also got some eggs to make egg bites because I'm recently obsessed with egg bites, and then also for the meatballs to kind of make them like stick together. So with the meatballs, I kind of want to make a kind of kava look-alike. So I got some tzatziki, I got some cherry tomatoes, and then I got some zesty Italian dressing. I also got some mini bell peppers because I want to make a buffalo chicken dip for lunch and then dip mini bell peppers into it. This is the meat that I got. So I got chicken breast and then ground chicken. Chicken breast I'm gonna cook, shred up, turn it into the buffalo chicken dip. I already have all the other stuff for that. And then over here, we got orzo. So essentially what I'm doing is orzo, tomato, cucumber with Italian dressing, side of tzatziki, and then the chicken meatballs. And I already had all the other ingredients for the chicken meatballs. I got a slice of cheesecake because it just looked so good. Like, I've been so obsessed with cheesecake recently. I don't know what it is about cheesecake, but I'm like a cheesecake stan. And then last but not least, I got a family size pack of these fudge bars, a 24 pack. I hope they taste good, but just fudge bars in general have been such an obsession of mine for the past couple months. Like, I am so obsessed with these, so I wanted to get just a big pack of them. They're so good. Anyways, I think I'm gonna have a bite of this cheesecake. Okay, I'm about to run out the door to pick up my friend from the airport. And just like that, the day is over. I dropped off my friend from the airport and then I got back and it was dark and I'm about to head to bed. Very chill Saturday night, but I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know if you guys want more weekend vlogs. If not, that's totally fine. We can just stick to our weekday vlogs. Make sure to check out Blueland. I'll have the link in the description. You guys can get 15% off your first order. I think it's an amazing deal. Great product. Again, link down below. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.